Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. In this video we are going to create a mountain horizon pattern using Python. So firstly we'll import the required libraries. So here NumPy used for mathematical operations to generate smooth x values np.linspace and some random noise np.random.uniform, and matplotlib is used to plot and visualize the mountains using plt.fill-between. So here num layers is equals to 7, the number of mountain layers to be drawn, creating a sense of depth, and x is equals to np.linspace. This generates 500 points between 0 and 10 for the x-axis, ensuring smooth curves. And this creates a figure with a size of 10 into 6 inches, providing a wide scenic view. And now we'll create the mountain layers. So here a loop that generates each layer of mountains, that is for I in range num layers, where np.sine x plus I into 0.5, that is a sine wave, creates the smooth wavy shape of the mountain. Then I plus 0.I into 0.5 adds a phase shift to differentiate the layers, and np.random uniform minus 0.2 to 0.2 size is equals to x dot shape adds a small random variation noise to the wave, making the mountain look more natural and rugged, and I into 0.8 gradually raises each subsequent layer, simulating mountains in the distance. Now we'll add color with the transparency. So here color, this uses a RGBA value where red is equals to 0.2, green is equals to 0.3 and blue is equals to 0.5. This creates a cool blue tone like distant mountains. And here alpha, this controls the transparency, as closer mountains are darker and more opaque, distant mountains are lighter and more transparent, creating an atmospheric perspective. चालू है चालू है चालू है silhouette. क्या लिखा था मैं तो समझ नहीं। And so we can see a mountain horizon